I am bipolar. Yeah, I am bipolar, my girl is bisexual. She eat that pussy like vegetables. I get brain intellectual. Every day I see get high on the schedule. I forget letters, I mean forget exes. I don't know why they keep on sleeping on me. ZZZ, I am the greatest, that's not TBD. This industry got ADHD. If we being honest, the only reason why I'm smiling is because my teeth got these diamonds. I used to be silent, I'd wake up at night in pajamas. As a kid I grew up in violence. I've been to war, what do you know about it? I got the scars to show. I saw the bro, laid out with crows around him. That means he not coming home. I am a tourist, but not with the bullshit. Mix the orange soda with the activists. It got me hooked just like the course is. I'm responsible for all this trafficking. I ride a Mustang, not the horses. Got a twin with me like Minneapolis. How did I end up on the Forbes list? Up in Cleveland, we don't make it out of it. Yeah. My grip, I can't get a hold of it. Yeah. I go to sleep with a loaded clip. This my fucking town. I get high if I want to. This my fucking town. Got no friends to say bye to. My grip, I can't get a hold of it. Yeah. I go to sleep with a loaded clip. This my fucking town. I get high if I want to.